Welcome to the Olive Tree Bible app. In this video, we'll walk through the basics to help you get started on your iPad or iPhone. We'll cover navigating the app, creating an account, downloading a Bible, and finding your way to any passage. First, let's take a quick look at the app layout. If you don't see the toolbar, just tap anywhere on the screen once to show it. You can tap again to hide it. Across the top, you'll find several helpful icons. The menu gives you access to things like messages, reading history, notes, and highlights. The library is where you can access and download your Bibles and books. The store is where you can find additional books, including free and paid titles. The verse reference in the center shows you where you are and lets you quickly navigate to another passage. Reading plans help guide your daily Bible reading. Settings lets you adjust things like font size and themes. Search allows you to look up keywords or phrases. And the book ribbon lets you save a place to come back to later. At the bottom of the screen, you'll also see an option to open Study Center. You can tap this anytime to explore more study tools. Next, let's make sure you're signed in. Creating an Olive Tree account lets you access your library and keeps your notes, highlights, and saved passages backed up and synced across your devices. To get started, tap the menu icon, then select Sign In. From here, you can tap Create Account to create a new account. If you already have an account, just enter your email address and password to sign in. The English Standard Version Bible text is included with the app by default, though you may see a different Bible translation if you choose one during the initial first-run screens of the app. You can also add more Bible translations to your library from the store. We have free Bibles as well as Bibles available for purchase. Let's download a free Bible. Tap the store icon, then scroll to the bottom of the homepage and tap See All next to Free Resources. Here, you'll find a selection of free Bibles and books. When you find one you'd like, tap Download. Once the download is complete, the button will change to Open. Tap Open and the Bible will appear in the main window. Alternatively, you can close the store to open the Bible from the library. To open a Bible from your library, tap the library icon. At the top, you'll see three tabs: Cloud, Device, and Recommended. The Cloud tab includes all of the Bibles and books registered to your account. If you see a download arrow on a title, just tap it to download it. The Device tab shows all books already downloaded to your device, which are available for offline use. Audio titles are also listed in the Device tab for streaming, but can be downloaded for offline use if needed. The Recommended tab shows books we suggest based on your library. The Bibles you downloaded will appear in the Cloud and Device tab. Tap it to open and start reading. To jump to a specific passage, tap the verse reference at the top of the screen. From here, choose the book, then the chapter, and finally the verse you want to read. And that's all you need to get started. You're now ready to read and explore the Bible in the Olive Tree app. Be sure to check out our other help videos or to visit help.olivetree.com for more tips and detailed guides. Thanks for watching and enjoy your study.